Hello children, today we are going to learn a concept with number, that is skip counting. What is skip counting? You know skipping? Skipping with the rope? The same way we can skip in numbers. How to skip and count. Okay, so I will tell you what is skip counting and when we can use this skip counting with an activity.
Ma'am has many crayons. I want to count these. Can you help me to count? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's taking more time to count. Here, I will show you another method of counting. I am selecting 2 crayons at a time, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. See how fast I have completed counting. Here what ma'am did? I did skip counting by 2. Ma'am did skip counting by 2. We can do skip counting by 5 also. How? For that we have to select 5 crayons at a time. It will be 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24. We can finish counting so fast, right? So, this is the benefit of skip counting. So, skip counting helps us to count large group of objects efficiently. Now, let's see how to do skip counting. Here, I have drawn a number line. And we have numbers from 0 to 20. First we are going to do skip counting by 2's. Skip counting by 2's. So for that first you have to circle number 0 because we are starting from number 0. Then what we are doing? We are doing skip counting by 2's, right? So we have to skip 2 times. How? From 0 to 1, then 1 to 2. 1 skip and second skip. So, where I will reach? I will reach on 2. Then how will I show? 0 to 2. Okay? Then, next one. How we will do? How many times we have to skip? We have to skip 2 times. So, from 2 let's skip 1, 2. Where I reach? I reached on number 4. So, I have to circle 4. So, when we do skip counting from 2, we will reach on number 4. Now, can you do? When we do skip counting from 4, where we will reach? 1 skip. 2 skips. Where I reach? On number 6. So, from 4, when we do skip counting by 2's, I reached on number 6. So, what we are doing here children? We are leaving one number and circling the second number, correct? Look here. From 0 to 2 when I did skip counting, I left number 1. And when I did skip counting from 2 to 4, we left number 3. So, in that way if we do, how we can skip from 6 by 2's? We have to leave number 7 and we have to circle number 8. That means we are skipping 2 times and we reached on 8. Then from 8 to 10.
Here we are skipping 2 times and we reach on 10, and we are leaving number 9 and circling number 10. This is the way we do skip counting by 2's. Now let's see how to do skip counting by 5's. Okay? For that, here I am circling this number 0. So we are doing skip counting by 5's. So how many times we have to skip? We have to skip 5 times. Let's do from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where we reached? We reached on number 5. So we can circle this. So when we do skip counting from 0, we reached on number 5. Here can you see how many numbers we left? We left number 1, 2, 3, 4. We left 4 numbers and we circled the 5th number. Yes, when we do skip counting by 5, we have to circle the 5th number and we have to leave 4 numbers. Okay, let's do it once more. From 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? We are on number 10. So I am circling number 10. So when we do skip counting by 5 from number 5, I reached on number 10. Here also you can see how many numbers I left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers I left and I marked the 5th number. You want to do ahead? Yes? Okay, let's do it. From 10. From 10 we are doing skip counting by 5. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are we now? We are on number 15. So 5th number is number 15 and we have to jump from 10 to 15. This is how we do skip counting by 5. Okay, now let's do skip counting by tens. It's also very easy. How many times we have to count? We have to count 10. We have to skip 10 times, right? So let's see. First I am circling 0. Now I have to skip 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where am I now? I am on number 10. So I am circling that number and I will draw from 0 to 10. Here I skipped 10 times and I left 9 numbers. Correct? In the same way, how can we do skip counting by tens from number 10? Let's skip 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where am I now? I am on number 20. So, when we do skip counting by tens from number 10, we will reach on number 20. In the same way, we can do skip counting by any number. It can be 3, 4, 5, 6, any number we can do. Now, I have a question for you. I have a number 14 here. Now you have to tell me what will be the next number if I do skip counting by 2. How will you do that? Every time drawing number line? It is difficult, right? So for that what you have to do? Man said you have to find out the skip counting by twos. So you have to take 2 fingers in your hand. Okay? Then you have to count. Now the number I have here 14. Then you have to say after 14, 15, 16. Okay? Then if we do skip counting by 2, from 14, what will be the answer? After 14, 15, 16. So I have to write here number 16. Okay, now I will give you another example. I have a number 30. Now you have to tell me what will be the next number if I am doing skip counting by 5. For that, what you have to do? You have to take number 5 on your hand. 5 fingers you have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to count from 30. So you will count like this. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So when we do skip counting from 30 by 5s, what will be the number? What will be the next number? It will be 35. Isn't it easy? Yes? Please try it by writing many numbers on your slate and find the next number which comes after skip counting by 2s, 5s and 10s. So for a better understanding, let's do an activity. Here, ma'am has written number from 1 to 13 on the floor. You can also do it at your home. Okay. Then, ma'am is standing on number 1. Now, I have to do skip counting by 2s. Then what ma'am said? We have to leave one number and jump to second number, correct? So from number 1, I will leave number 2 and I have to jump to number 3. Then from number 3, where I have to jump? Number 5. So if we do skip counting by 2s, from number 5, where I have to reach? I should reach on number 7. Here I left number 6 and I jumped on number 7. Now number 9. Correct? In this way you can also try this at your home. Now you want to see how we can jump when we are skip counting by 5? Yes? Okay, let's do that. Now let's do skip counting by 5 from number 1. For that, how many skips I have to take? I have to skip 5 times, right? So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where did I reach? I reach on number 6. So when I did skip counting by 5s from number 1, I reached on number 6. So in this way you can practice skip counting by number 10 also. Please do it, okay? I hope you all have understood the concept of skip counting clearly. Isn't that interesting, skip counting? Please practice skip counting, okay? So that's all for now. Children, take care and bye-bye.